What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best robot mops in 2022. There's a lot of choice for robot mops. The best robot mops will make hand mopping your floors seem like an archaic task. Robot mops look and work in much the same way as robot vacuums, navigating their way around your hard floors to mop up any spills and stains. In fact, these machines can partner up with robot vacuum cleaners to form the ultimate tag team. Once the robot vacuum returns to base, leaving your floors free of dust and debris, the robot mop is ready to make the rounds and provide the finishing touches. You can also find hybrid designs which do the jobs of both, although these don't perform quite as well as independent options in our experience. It should remove any stains in its path in one sweep, leaving a clean and streak-free finish. Once it's done, the mop cloths should be quick and easy to remove and wash as well. Want to invest in a robot mop, but not sure which to buy? We've done the research and have tested a range of models to find those that will do your floors justice. These are the best robot mops. TopHomeGuide.com. Search Top Home Guide before choose your product. Now let's get started. Number 1. iRobot Brava Jet 240. The very small and very budget-friendly iRobot Brava Jet 240 is particularly good at cleaning small spaces, but still impressively quick when cleaning larger areas. For first-time robot mop users, the Brava Jet 240 is a great starter device. We were impressed at how well it cleaned edges, and liked the fresh scent left from the disposable cleaning pads when it was done. For less than $200, it's an easy way to keep your floors clean, without lugging out the mop and bucket on a daily basis. While it doesn't have the customized mapping and other bells and whistles found on the Brava Jet M6 or on many hybrid robots, it will leave your floors cleaner than it found them. There are 3 types of proprietary pads made by iRobot that work with the Brava Jet 240: a white, dry sweeping pad, an orange, damp sweeping pad, and a blue, wet mopping pad. Specification and features: size 6.7 by 7 by 3.3 inches. Weight 2.7 pounds. Mapping: no. Smart home compatibility: no. Reasons to buy: lightweight and compact. Multiple cleaning modes. Replaceable battery. Reasons to avoid: must purchase washable or disposable replacement pads. Drags dirt around. Number 2. iLife Shinebot W400S. As the best robot mops go, the iLife Shinebot W400 hits the sweet spot between price and performance. Though it just uses plain tap water to clean your floors, we were impressed with how much dirt the mop removed from our floors. Better yet, we could see exactly how much grime was removed thanks to the separate onboard clean and dirty water tanks. The Shinebot W400's mopping prowess is thanks to the twin power of a reusable microfiber brush roll that scrubs dirt away, and a rubber scraper squeegee that helps remove dirty water and other debris. The Shinebot W400 was a well-behaved robot mop as well, never venturing onto even the thinnest rug in our testing. Instead of an app, the W400 is controlled via remote control, or the buttons on the bot itself. From here, choose one of 4 cleaning patterns: area, path, spot and edge. While this mopping only bot offers good cleaning performance, it's a bit tall at 4.6 inches high and might not fit under kitchen cabinets. And when this robot mop is done cleaning, your cleaning job begins. After each use, iLife recommends cleaning the dirty water tank, the microfiber brush roll, the scraper and the filter with running water. Then the parts must be left out to air dry. It's a bit of work, but the Shinebot W400 gets the mopping job done. Specification and features: size 11.5 by 11.1 by 4.6 inches. Weight 7.72 pounds. Mapping: no. Smart home compatibility: no. Reasons to buy: good cleaning performance. Dirty water tank captures dirt and grime. Reusable microfiber brush roll. Reasons to avoid: cumbersome cleaning process after use. Bulky in size. Too tall to clean under kitchen cabinets. Number 3. Roborock S5 Max. Roborock's update to the S5 Hybrid, logically named the S5 Max, put a special emphasis on mopping performance. For starters, there's a larger, 290 milliliters electronic water tank. Plus, the detachable microfiber mopping pad is spring-loaded, meaning the pad will apply consistent pressure on surfaces as it cleans. This is designed to provide more consistent mopping results. Controlling the S5 Max is as easy as opening the Roborock app on your smartphone. The Wi-Fi connected bot is capable of creating and saving editable maps of your home. Create a schedule, customize cleaning routes, and demarcate no-mop zones from the palm of your hand. This sleek-looking 2-in-1 offers several cleaning modes for vacuuming: gentle, silent, balanced, turbo and max, but also offers customizations in mop mode, to choose from low, medium, or high water flow depending on the surfaces you're cleaning. Better yet, the flow level can be adjusted from room to room. Bear in mind, while this robot mop may be ideal for everyday mopping, it may struggle with heavy spills. Some reviewers found it dusted the floor, as it passed more so than scrubbed. Specification and features: size, 13.8 by 13.8 by 3.8 inches. Weight, 7.8 pounds. Mapping, yes. Smart home compatibility: Alexa, Google Assistant. Reasons to buy: attractive design, spring-loaded mop pad, customizable no-mop zones. Reasons to avoid: would struggle on heavy spills. Number 4. iLife V8S Robot. This hybrid robot vacuum and mop won't clean out your wallet, but it will clean up your floors. What the iLife V8S lacks in bells and whistles, it makes up for in cleaning prowess. The iLife V8S has 4 different cleaning modes that work in both mop and vacuum modes: classic, which sends the bot bouncing off of walls; path, a methodical, M-shaped cleaning pattern; edge, for cleaning along borders; and spot, for targeted cleaning. As with most robot mops, the company recommends vacuuming prior to mopping. To activate the mop on the iLife V8S, switch out the dustbin for the water tank, dampen and attach the microfiber mopping pad, and choose a mode using the included remote control, or on the bot itself. The V8S will get to work. iLife says the 300 milliliters water tank is roughly enough to clean one room, and recommends refilling the tank before cleaning the next room. Because it lacks Wi-Fi connectedness and isn't capable of mapping, you'll want to keep an eye on it while it cleans. No one likes a squishy carpet. Specification and features: size, 13 by 12.6 by 3.2 inches. Weight, 5.9 pounds. Mapping, no. Smart home compatibility, no. Reasons to buy: methodical cleaning pattern mode, quiet in mopping mode, remote control supplied. Reasons to avoid: not Wi-Fi connected, needs supervision in mop mode. Number 5. iRobot Brava Jet M6. The iRobot Brava Jet M6 is the robot mop that does it all. This impressive bot not only cleaned better than every other competitor, but it uses the same advanced navigation found in the Roomba S9 robot vacuum to clean and map your home. Within the iRobot app, you can command the Brava Jet M6 to clean specific rooms or areas while avoiding no-go spots such as pet food bowls. We like the easy-to-fill removable water tank, too. When the mop's battery gets low, it'll head back to its base, recharge, and then get back to work. But perhaps the flashiest feature of the Brava Jet M6 is how it works in tandem with the Roomba S9 and Roomba i7. When either of those vacuums has finished cleaning and returned to its base, the mop goes to work. Not only will your floors be vacuumed, they'll be freshly mopped as well. We are truly living in the future. Like the Brava Jet 240, the Brava Jet M6 uses proprietary wet and dry cleaning pads that are available in reusable or disposable versions. Specification and features: size, 10.6 by 10.6 by 3.5 inches. Weight, 4.85 pounds. Mapping, yes. Smart home compatibility: Alexa, Google Assistant. Reasons to buy: thorough cleaner, respects map boundaries, cleans in tandem with some Roombas. Reasons to avoid: proprietary cleaning solution and pads. You wanted the best. You got it. Thanks for watching. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time. See you guys later.